Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach environmental science of class 3. This is the continuation of lesson number 3. So regarding lesson number 3 we have already started. In the previous lecture we have discussed about work in a family, then some helpers at home. So today we are going to complete the remaining subtopics of lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, people at work. People at work. So let's start with the first topic of today's lecture. Today's first topic is workers in a community. Workers in a community. Workers in a community. The community have the group of people living in the same place. Group of people living in the same place. So workers in a community. Nangi akoibada leiriba mi singna tawba thabak singi matangda ngasi ne duisi group of people living in the same place. So workers in the, when you look at the textbook, page number 20, you will find it. In a community, different people do different kinds of work. So in a community, different people, me manadabugi matungina moina tabu thabuk somta manade. Different people do different kinds of work. Different kinds of work. So in your textbook some examples are given. Let's see what are the examples. A tailor is given in your textbook. A tailor, a tailor stitches and mends clothes. Mends have the repair having. A tailor is given as an example in your textbook. A tailor stitches and mends clothes. Barber is given in your textbook. Barber sam kakpa. Then cobbler is given in your textbook. Cobbler repair or mends shoes. Greengrocer is given in your textbook. Greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. And plumber is given in your textbook. Plumber is given in your textbook. Fixes taps and leaks. Doctor is given. Teacher. So the work people do for a living. So here comes the important point which is highlighted by yellow background in your textbook. That is occupation. So what is occupation? Occupation means the work people do for a living. Hingnabugi damakta tawriba thabak tubu koina occupation kawi. The work people do for a living is called their occupation. It's called their occupation. The money that people earn from their occupation is their income. Hingnabugi damakta tawriba thabak tubu koina occupation kawi madudagi paisa phangakani. And people spend their income to meet their daily needs. Next topic is leisure and hobbies. Leisure and hobbies. So it is important to work. It is important to work. Thabak tawdabadi yaroi, pisa tandabadi yaroi. To fulfill our daily needs, we have to work. So work is very important. However, it is also important to relax and have fun. Pun kunmari thabak tawraga laibadi yaroi. It is also important to relax and rest. Relax and have fun, you can say. Relax and have fun. The time when we rest and relax is called our leisure time. So work is a very important, but we cannot work 24/7. It is also important to relax and have fun. So the time when we rest and relax is called our leisure time. Leisure time di karma matam bukhani leisure time ka wi haragadi kon pothada busu yade. So people do various fun activities in their leisure time. Leisure time matam sida mayamna activities mayam ama tawi madu ke oibe ai khudam oina harabada to visit their relatives, koi ba chatpa mari matai yumda, or go to hill station da chatpa yawi, exhibition sima yengba, watch movies. Many may like to play games and read books like pabasu yawi, novel ga paba. The next definition is hobbies. The activities. So leisure time da akhona pothawa matam da sima yengi, game sanaba, relatives ki mem da koi ba chatpa, novel paba, masing activities in shibu, the activities that we like to do for pleasure in our leisure time. Apart from work, leisure time are called our hobbies. So the activities that we like to do for pleasure in our leisure time are called hobbies. Leisure time matamsida akoi isa nuaina batoba activities indubu hobbies kawi. And for some people, their hobby may also become their career. Hobby is career on top. Say for example, if someone wants to play football, if he becomes a professional footballer, then my hobby though career only. Next topic is child labor. Child labor. So many children from low-income families need to work after school to earn money for their families. Paisa leitabana maram oidana angang kharadi thabak suba chali. The income of some families is low and they cannot send children to school at all. Paisa leitabana maram oidana parents kharadi magi mukhoi angang singdu larik tamba thaba ngamde. So in your textbook you will find pictures are given as an example where Ramu, a 9-year-old boy, he cleans cars every morning before going to school, and Raza works in a firecracker factory after his school. So children, they go to work, or they work in the factories or somewhere to earn money for their families. So we can see young children selling different items. When you look around, you will find some children working in hotels and construction sites, workshop. Young girls can be seen working as housemaids also. So making children under the age of 14. So what is child labor? Making children under the age of 14. So itara mai sudriba angang singda thabak tawhanba, do difficult and heavy work. do difficult and heavy work for long hours. For long hours. Masi ko na child labor ko. Child labor hai gati sa ita mari sudriba angang singda awa thabak tahunba for long hours yam kuina. Masi ko na child labor ko wi. Yan akoy ba yengu matam na noy na sudum uba fangani angang sing yumgi thabak tawba chatpa kon phengba phi suba adagi hotel da thabak tawba angang myam ugani madu workshop da thabak tawba madu child labor ngakthani. So in your textbook it is also mentioned that you will find young children selling different items on the roads, working in hotels and construction sites. Young girls can be seen working as housemaids. So making children under the age of 14 do difficult and heavy work for long hours is called child labor. These children are paid very less. Paishasu yamna pibidaba angang ni haidana thabak na wana sohanba. They have a no leisure time, moida matam ahangba leitre, and may even be abused and beaten at their workplace. Phubiba chaibiba thabak mafamda. They are all victims of child labor. So in India, the laws of our country have made child labor punishable. There is a law in our country. The laws of our country have made child labor punishable. Angang da thabak suhanbasi akhoi law gi matungina punishable oye. So free and compulsory education is provided to poor children in government school. So I repeat, in our country there is a law, madugi law gi matungina child labor is punishable ne. Chaitra mari sudriba angang singda thabak suhan bayati. In our country, free and compulsory education is being provided to the poor children in government school. In government school dadi angang singsi free like tam bi hai, free and compulsory education like tam da ba yadi hai ni ko like tam ga da bani. So in some states the government is also providing free food apart from free and compulsory education. In some states government is also providing free food, free textbook and notebooks to these children. Free and compulsory education da natana India ki state kharadadi free food piba, free textbook piba, free notebooks piba bu yawe. So the moral of the topic is that angang singsi laik tamhansi haibani. Koi thabak subugi matam yaudri laik tambagi matam ni haibani. So with this I'll summarize what we have learned today. So we have discussed about workers in the community. We have discussed about workers in a community. Koi bida lebi matamda samkakpa, injang nabi yonba, doctor, oza, tailor, si mayam si muna tawi thabak singsi masi workers in the community da kana tamgre occupation ni matang da nainagre. The work people do for a living, pashatan but thabak tawba for living, pashatan madu occupation kawi. We cannot work 24/7. The work is important, but it is also important to relax and have fun. Potha da bisu yadi madu da konya leisure time haigre. Leisure time da tawba activities sing du bo koina hobbies haigre. Masigi activities sing si akoina khoi career on thok pe yai su pangre. The third topic is the child labor. Chaitra mari sujib angang singda awab akan matabak suhanba for long hours madubu child labor kawi. And as an example, when tamgre, I've already mentioned that you will, when you look around, you will find some children working in hotels, workshop, and girls' child you will find as a housemaid. Masi child labor ngakani. The India akoyi gilam sidadi angang singsi free and compulsory education pigedabani. The akoyi law gi matungina child labor is punishable ni hagre. Child labor is punishable ni hagre. So according to our law, child labor is punishable. Free and compulsory education. Government school da free and compulsory education lay in our country. And apart from that, in some states the free textbook piba, free food piba, scheme. So now is the evaluation part. Evaluation to check whether you have understand the topic or not. So to evaluate yourself, I'm going to write some questions on this whiteboard. So try to find the answers of these questions. Question number 1. What does a green grocer do? Green grocer ki thabak si karino. Question number 2. List or write name, because you are not going to write the answer in your classroom notebook. Name any 3 occupations of people in your community. So I'm repeating it again. You are not supposed to write the answer in your class 1 notebook. This is just an evaluation to check whether you have understand the topic or not. So the first question is, what does a green grocer do? Green grocer nang kai thabak tawi. Question number 2, name any 3 occupations of people in your community. Nagi akoi bida yengba matamda kai thabak tawi madu ahum khatang hayu hainko. So with this, I conclude my lecture, and I think lesson number 3 is complete. So we will start new lesson in the next lecture. Thank you. Thank you for watching and listening. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.